Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to take pictures using continuous shot mode of camera app in Samsung Galaxy M20. To take picture using continuous shot mode, simply tap on the camera icon on the home screen. Swipe the screen towards right, tap on continuous shot. Continuous shot mode is selected. Let's start taking pictures. To begin, tap and hold the camera icon. When you're done, lift up your finger from the camera. The photos are captured using continuous shot mode. Please note, you can capture up to 30 photos at once in this mode. To view the photos, simply tap the preview thumbnail. The photos are saved in the gallery. To open all the photos taken by you in this mode, tap on continuous shot mode icon. So this is how we can take pictures using continuous shot mode of camera app in Samsung Galaxy M20. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.